Hello, my amazing friends. Today is a special day because we are starting a journey that can change your life forever. Learning English fluently is not just about speaking a language. It's about opening doors to new opportunities, new friends, and a world full of possibilities. Have you ever felt stuck wishing you could express yourself better in English? Maybe you've memorized grammar rules, but when it's time to speak, the words just don't come out? Don't worry. That ends today. This is not just another English lesson. It's a complete guide crafted to help you become confident and fluent step by step. And where do we start? With the most important foundation, vocabulary. Vocabulary is the key to fluency. It's the words that give power to your sentences and help you understand others. So let's unlock that power together. Get ready to focus, learn, and have fun. Grab your notebook and let's dive in. Why vocabulary is the foundation? Think of vocabulary as the building blocks of a house. If you only have a few blocks, your house will be small and weak. But if you keep adding new blocks every day, your house will grow big and strong. It's the same with English. Without enough words, you can't express your ideas. But with the right words, you can say anything you want. Step 1. Learn words that matter to you. Many people waste time trying to learn difficult or rare words they'll never use. Don't do that. Start with the words you need for your daily life. Personal words. Think about your life. What do you talk about every day? If you're a student, teacher, exam, homework. If you work, boss, office, meeting. Step 2. Make words memorable. It's not enough to just read a list of words. You need to make them stick in your mind. Here's how. Repeat to real life. Don't just memorize the word. Use it. Look around you. See a chair? Say, this is a chair. I sit on a chair every day. Drinking tea. Say, I love tea. This tea is hot. Visualize. Close your eyes and picture the word. Word. Apple. Imagine holding a red apple, feeling its smooth skin, taking a bite, and tasting its sweetness. Word. Excited. Think about a time when you felt excited, like a birthday or a surprise gift. Step 3. Practice daily with flashcards. Flashcards are powerful tools for vocabulary. Here's how to use them. Create flashcards. Front. Write the word example happy. Back. Write the meaning in a sentence. Feeling good and joyful. I feel happy when I listen to music. Review flashcards. Spend 10 minutes every morning and evening reviewing them. Test yourself. Look at the word and say the meaning and sentence aloud. Step 4. Use synonyms and antonyms. Learning similar and opposite words makes your vocabulary richer and more flexible. Example with synonyms. Big, large, huge, enormous. Big sentence. I saw a huge building yesterday. Example with antonyms. Hot, cold sentence. Today is very hot, but yesterday was cold. Step 5. Create sentences every day. A word only becomes useful when you know how to use it in a sentence. Word. Sleep sentence. I sleep at 10 p.m. every night. Word. Rain sentence. I love listening to the rain. Step 6. Organize a vocabulary notebook. Your notebook is your personal dictionary. Divide it into sections. New words. Write the word, meaning, and sentence. Word, laugh, meaning. To show happiness by smiling and making a sound. Sentence. The baby laughed when I played with her. Synonyms and antonyms. Word, fast synonyms. Quick, speedy antonyms. Slow daily practice. Write 5 to 10 sentences using your new words every day. Step 7. Fun ways to practice vocabulary. Talk to yourself. Narrate your actions in English. I am brushing my teeth. Now I am drinking water. play word games, guess the word. Describe a word without saying it and try to guess like, it's yellow, sweet, and monkeys love it. Answer, banana. Teach someone else. Explain a word to a friend or family member. Teaching helps you learn better. Examples for practice, word coffee, sentence. I drink coffee every morning to feel awake. Word, beautiful sentence. The garden is so beautiful with colorful flowers. Use phrases. I am hungry. Let's eat. The weather's nice today. Let's go for a walk. Don't rush. Start with 5 to 10 new words every day and focus on quality over quantity. Use them in your life. Think about them and play with them. In just 1 month, you'll have a vocabulary of 150 to 300 powerful, useful words that you can confidently use in conversations. Part 2. Building sentences and speaking naturally. Now that you've built a strong foundation with vocabulary, it's time to take the next step, using those words to create sentences. Step 1. Understand the basic sentence structure. Every sentence in English has 3 main parts. Subject, the person or thing doing the action. Example, I, she, my cat, the teacher. Verb, the action or state of being. Example, eat, play, is, are. Object, the thing receiving the action. Example, a book, an apple, my homework. Formula, subject. Plus verb plus object. I eat an apple. She reads a book. The dog is sleeping. Step 2. Learn common sentence patterns. Here are 5 patterns you'll use daily. Simple. Present for habits or facts. Formula, subject, plus verb, base form, plus object. Examples. I drink tea every morning. She studies English every day. We love watching movies. Present continuous for actions happening now. Formula subject, plus am, is, are plus verb. Past simple. For actions that happened in the past, formula, subject plus verb, past form, plus object. Examples. I walked to the market yesterday. She watched a movie last night. He played football last week. Future simple. For actions that will happen in the future, formula subject plus will plus verb base form. Examples. I will call you tomorrow. We will visit the park next Sunday. She will start a new job soon. Questions. Start with question words. What? What are you doing? Where? Where is she going? When? When will they arrive? How? How do you learn English? Step 3. Practice conversations with simple sentences scenario. 1. At a coffee shop. I want a cup of coffee, please. Barista. Do you want sugar in your coffee? Yes, please. I like my coffee sweet. Scenario 2. Meeting a friend. Friend, how are you today? I'm doing great. How about you? Friend, I'm fine. Let's go for a walk. Scenario 3. Asking for directions. Excuse me, can you tell me where the library is? Stranger, it's straight ahead. Turn left at the next corner. Thank you so much. Step 4. Use connectors to make sentences longer. Once you can form basic sentences, you can make them longer and more natural by using connectors like, and I like tea and I also enjoy coffee. But I want to go out, but it's raining. Because I'm happy because I passed my exam. So I was tired, so I went to bed early. Then I finished my homework. Then I watched TV. Examples of longer sentences. I study English every day because I want to speak fluently. She's cooking dinner and her children are playing in the garden. We went to the park, but it started raining, so we came home. Step 5. Avoid common mistakes. Wrong. Eat I lunch now. Correct. I eat lunch now. Wrong. She cooking dinner. Correct. She is cooking dinner. Wrong. I have 2 books. Correct. I have 2 books. Step 6. Practice speaking daily. Start by describing your day. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth and take a shower. Then I eat breakfast and go to work. Practice describing what you see. The sky is blue. The birds are flying. There are flowers in the garden. Shadowing technique. Watch English videos or listen to podcasts. Pause after each sentence and repeat it exactly as you hear it. Example. Video. I love learning English. You. I love learning English. Step 7. Real-life application. Ask questions in English. At the store, how much is this dress? Do you have this in another color? At a restaurant, what's the special dish today? Can I have the menu, please? Answer questions in English. When someone asks, try to reply confidently. Question, where are you from? Answer, I'm from India. Question, what do you do? Answer, I'm a student. I study English. Step 8, listen and repeat. Listening is as important as speaking. Here's how to improve. Listen to simple English stories or songs. Write down sentences you like and practice saying them aloud. Example, listening. I love sunny days. You, I love sunny days. Step 9, set small goals. Learn 3 new sentences every day. Practice 5 minutes of speaking aloud. Have 1 short conversation in English with a friend or yourself. Step 3, achieving fluency and speaking English confidently. In this section, we're focusing on what everyone dreams of, speaking English fluently and confidently. Fluency is not just about knowing the rules of grammar or memorizing words. It's about speaking naturally in techniques that will truly transform the way you learn and speak English. Let's begin. Step 1. Stop translating and start thinking in English. One major barrier to fluency is translating everything from your native language into English. This process slows you down and makes you overthink. Instead, practice thinking directly in English. Here's how. How to start thinking in English. When you wake up, think, I need to get up now. I'll brush my teeth and take a shower. While eating breakfast, think, I'm eating toast and drinking tea. Today I'll meet my friend. This habit trains your brain to form sentences in English naturally. As you move through your day, name the objects you see. Table, chair, cup, phone, keys. Then make sentences. The keys are on the table. My phone is charging. Ask yourself questions. What am I doing now? What should I do next? Example, I am reading a book. After this, I'll cook dinner. Practice inner conversations. Imagine you're talking to someone in English. Example, if someone asks me about my job, I'll say, I'm a teacher. I love helping students. Step 2. Improve pronunciation for clearer speech. Good pronunciation is key to fluency. Here's how to master it. Listen to native speakers, watch movies, listen to podcasts, or follow YouTube channels. Focus on how words are pronounced and imitate them. Record your speech and compare it to native speakers. Identify areas where you can improve. Focus on problem sounds. If certain sounds are difficult, practice them repeatedly. Example, the in think or v in very. Step 3. Expand your speaking practice. Use role-play act. Out scenarios you might face in real life. At a restaurant, waiter, what would you like to order? You, I'd like a salad and a glass of water, please. At a job interview, interviewer, tell me about yourself. You, I am a dedicated professional with a passion for learning. Speak to yourself aloud. Don't wait for someone to practice with you. You are your best conversation partner. Example, look in the mirror and talk about your day. Today was a busy day. I went shopping, cooked dinner, and watched a movie. Join English speaking groups. If possible, join clubs or online groups where people practice speaking English. Speaking with others helps you gain confidence. Example, what do you like to do in your free time? Can you tell me more about your favorite book? Fluency comes from using phrases that native speakers use daily. Memorizing phrases is much faster than building sentences word by word. Common phrases for conversations. Greetings. How's it going? Nice to meet you. Expressing opinions. I think that, in my opinion, agreeing, disagreeing. That's true, I don't think so. Making plans. What are you doing this weekend? Let's meet at 5 p.m. Step 5. Master fluency through listening. Fluency isn't just about speaking, it's about understanding others too. The more you listen, the more natural your speech will become. What to listen to audiobooks. Start with simple stories, podcasts. Choose topics you enjoy. Movies and TV shows. Watch with subtitles, then without. Step 6. Overcome fear of mistakes. Fear is the biggest enemy of fluency. Remember, making mistakes is part of learning. Just to build confidence. Focus on communication. Don't aim for perfection. Aim to be understood. Celebrate small wins. Did you speak a full sentence in English today? Celebrate it. Talk to supportive people. Practice with those who encourage you. Weekly goals. Have a conversation with someone in English. Watch an English movie or show. Monthly goals. Write a short story or diary entry in English. Record yourself speaking and listen to your progress. Step 8. Develop your accent and intonation. Intonation, how your voice rises and falls, makes your speech sound natural. Practice sounding like a native speaker by copying their rhythm and stress patterns. Fluency is not a destination, it's a journey. Every word you learn, every sentence you speak, and every conversation you have brings you closer to your goal. Speak with confidence, practice daily, and never stop learning. English is a global language, and mastering it opens doors to countless opportunities. My dear friends, learning English is not just about mastering a language. It's about unlocking a world full of opportunities, dreams, and possibilities. Remember, no one is born fluent in any language. Every fluent speaker you see today started just like you, struggling, learning, and growing step by step. Think of this journey as a mountain. At first it looks steep and the climb seems impossible, but with every small step you get stronger, more confident, and closer to the top. And when you reach it, you'll see the beautiful view. A life where you can connect with people across the globe, express yourself freely, and achieve things you never thought possible. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be persistent. Speak without fear. Make mistakes with pride because every mistake is a lesson in disguise. Don't compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to who you were yesterday. If you're better today, even by a little, you're on the right path. Remember, the world needs your voice, your ideas, your stories, your dreams. They deserve to be heard. And English is the key that opens that door. So, no matter how hard it feels, don't give up. You are stronger than your doubts, and your future self will thank you for every effort you make today. Start now. Speak now. Believe in yourself now. Because one day you'll look back at this moment and say, that was the day I decided to change my life. Go out there and shine. The world is waiting for you.